Most recording failures are administrative. First, verify that your camera is not in privacy mode. When active, it disables the lens and halts all recording. Ensure this toggle is off. Next, access your device settings. Navigate to Storage and Recording. Confirm that microSD recording is toggled on. If the card shows an error status, perform a clean format to restore write access. Check your recording schedule. Firmware updates can occasionally reset these blocks. Ensure your active time periods are clearly highlighted. Missing blocks mean the camera is effectively idle during those hours. Finally, review your Tapo Care status in your app profile. If your subscription has expired or you have reached your cloud storage limit, the camera will cease generating new cloud clips. Maintain your plan to ensure consistent coverage. Hardware issues are the most frequent cause of recording failure, often stemming from storage media that cannot handle modern high bitrate video streams. Modern Tapo cameras require high-endurance Class 10 cards to maintain stability. Standard cards often fail under the heavy write load of 2K or 4K recording. Within the Tapo app, navigate to Camera Settings, then Storage and Recording. If the card status shows as uninitialized or error, perform a clean format to repair the file system. Ensure the card is properly seated. If problems persist after formatting, a physical power cycle by unplugging the device for 60 seconds can help flush the internal cache. Finally, check the firmware menu. A mismatch between the camera's software and the app interface is a leading cause of broken communication between your hardware and the storage media.